Bye. Bye.
We introduce Richie, aka the Beatmaker. At age 21, Richie prepares to outdoor his debut album, All of Me, after 4 years of hard work and dedication to his music. This young prolific man has worked with Ghanaian and international artists. We introduce the Mix Master.
Music has been part of him since he was a kid.
Basa na menjinyo no say kase go to me my neighbor hata hata na menjinyo make me wanna fly I wanna fly I wanna fly way up in the sky so make me wanna fly I wanna fly I wanna fly way up in the sky oh frima odimakuma akoshe baby oh frima odimakuma minga wakume musafa kamere bebe wakume mupno namatumo minga wakume musafa kamere bebe wakume mupno namatumo sana obitu minkomo. Who is Firma? I won't tell you. Oh, seriously, everybody's asking me who's Firma, so it's about time I told the truth. There is no Firma. Firma is just a lovely Ghanaian name. I mean, it rings something in your ear when you hear Firma. So we decided to use Firma for the song. But as to who Firma, actually is talking about, that I'll keep a secret, you know. I'm a shy musician. I don't tell all my secrets.
My name is Nanawi Afia Santimensa, aka ASEM ASEM. I'm signed on to the Lynx Entertainment record label, and for that matter, I work with Richard Kakari Mensah, also known as the Beatmaker, Richie. You know, I've been working with him for close like 4 years now, and you know, he has had an influence in my life, as in with my music, and also me being a personal artist, as in growing up as a musician. I mean, he's good. He's one of the best producers in the country with respects to hip hop music. And I mean, his beats, his songs, and everything is on top. You know, basically, I feel that it's about time hip hop music gains roots in Ghana. And I mean, when you talk about hip hop, then you talk about Richie. You know, he's a cool person, calm and collective. You know, he gives inspiration, he motivates. You know, I mean, in a nutshell, he's a good human being. And I mean, you should watch out more from him.
ASEM ASEM Obada Antem ASEM ASEM Obada. Okay, check. Yeah, sing it slow, nigga, so you mackle it. A man of a limit, the second size chocolate. I got the girls more chocolate. I like a belt, don't chocolate.
My first artist was OJ Black. Marlon T, as people know him of Sun City fame.
Yeah, I'm Nia Crashy, aka OJ Black. You can call me Marlon T. Right about now, I'm at Lynx Entertainment. You know, the new record label in town. I've been recording with Lynx Entertainment for about 5 years now. You know what I'm talking about. I've been working with Richie since Lynx Entertainment started. I'm telling you, if that boy comes into this industry proper, yeah, I mean, when he settles proper, you hear from him from all over the world. And trust me, because the guy is good. That's why I've been with him for 5 years, man. But I know what that boy has got. Trust me, he's got fire. He's got fire, man. And I think he does universal music. He does everything you want. He plays to your feel. He writes when he thinks that the feel doesn't tally too much with the beat. You know, he's all around.
He has concentrated his energies into creating different kinds of genres of music, and that of the artists he works with.
This is me, this is my world. Began long time ago, let's say about 5 years ago, when I was 17. You know, I've been singing since I was a kid. Since I started, walking, I started singing. Come from a musical family, so everybody in my family sings. And in SS secondary school, in Ashimoto school, I was a science student. So that's how this whole thing began. My music teacher, Mr. Ken Kafui, not my music teacher, but music teacher in the school, he suggested that he doesn't understand why I'm wasting my music talents on just being a science student. So he thought I should do music. And I told him I loved science, I couldn't do without it. So he said I could combine the two. And that's when he suggested sound engineering to me. So that was the first time I heard of the option of doing both science and music together. I decided to open my own studio and learn it as I worked. So I started small, you know. It was difficult. Not many people wanted to support me. The only person who really supported me was my mom. She's been the biggest influence and support in my whole life. And she's gotten me where I am right now. And we started recording, you know, then it was something small. You should have seen it. It was practically a computer mic tied down to a lamp stand with sellotape. And the computer was so slow that when you open a song, it takes about 8 minutes. So I'm going to open a song and say everybody just lie down on the table and just sleep while the song is opening. But then as time went on, I made some money from recording demos, recording a few artists. Then I started buying a few equipment. My mom helped me out with some money and we expanded slowly but surely. So I started meeting various artists. OJ kept bringing some of his artist friends and I kept meeting more people. I got more experience as time went along. So I started recording artists like Tiny. Asem came along when he finished school. There was Two-Face who came to record with Tiny. Samini, Wuta passed through, recorded with Irene and Jane. Amanziba came through here to record with Irene and Jane. A couple of other artists who kept coming in and out, kept recording. Then we decided to open a record label because we realized the music we wanted to do was music that could sell internationally. And we wanted to start something that's kind of new in Ghana. So we started a record label which will produce international music and market it inside and outside of Ghana, whereas Links Entertainment began. So we started working on the 3 first albums, the 3 debut albums of Links Entertainment, which is my album as a singer, and then OJ Black's album, and Asem album. These 3 albums were the first 3 albums we worked on Links Entertainment. Whilst alongside, we recorded albums for the other artists who came through. So with the experience and everything I generated from all those I worked with, it made me a better musician, a better singer, a better producer, a wiser person, which helped me manage the businesses. I had a lot of people who helped me though as we went along the way. Michael Asari, my manager, for instance, inspired me and helped me in some of the business aspects. I met people like Abraham Mohinijan, who showed me the way in dealing with some things in the business. I had help from Richmond Edupoku, from Kiki Banson along the way. Johnny Fingers came through. I had faithful friends like Edwin Ferguson, who played the keyboard every time I needed him to and really pushed me a long way. Basically all I'm trying to say is it's been difficult. This whole journey has been very difficult. Because of the talent that God gave me and the blessings He put upon me, people helped me, especially my mom, to get where I am right now, and I'm really grateful for that.
He's a sound producer, a sound engineer, a multi-instrumentalist, composer, and a singer. One may wonder how he started.
All of us love music, so it didn't come as a surprise when Richie came out. He wanted to take it professional. We started the studio at home. Initially, it wasn't easy. He had some small mic that we used to laugh at it. Richie is naturally a calm person, but whatever he puts up, he wants to do, he does it and does it very well.
Managing Richie is a very easy job, you know. He knows what to do, he knows what he wants, he's determined and focused. So, well, I should say it has been easy working with him. I saw him coming up. I was most of the time with OJ. I wasn't managing him then, but I was most of the time in the studio. So I saw how he suffered to bring it up and all that. He's so determined and he's a very, very smart boy.
I go Links like almost 2 years coming this. You know, the first day, you know, I got to the studio. My guy flexed me, Richie flexed me, Charlie. Me and Fu say superstar, me I enter some studio inside. But they open some beats, I hear that beat. I said, no, engineer, I beg you, make I just sing on this beat. Because this be my taste. I've worked with so many engineers. I worked with Hammer of the last two. That's my debut album, Kwakwe. And the second album, I changed engineers. I work with a whole lot of engineers. Now they work with Richie. That be the links. Me, the way I see things, Richie be my favorite. Like, you know, because I like the kind of things he play. You know, and he's one of the best. So Ghanaians should watch out for him. He's coming. We coming. Links. Kevin. So far, Richie do some couple of beats on my latest album. He been do, you see the one MTV come shoot for me, where Shell sponsor, I been do the Incomplete song featuring Teddy. And the one I featured, Two-Face and DBR on. And Attention, Hold You Tight featuring 5-5. A lot. They do most of my beats for me for the new album. And I've got 2 albums, you know, running out. And the other one, Day Nigeria. That one I feel say he been work like he been do the whole album for me because most of the beats from Richie, that be the links.
An industry that is considered difficult, especially in Ghana, Richie couldn't have crossed the river without the inspiration of his family. The years have been kind to Richie, obviously as his affection to music slowly ensures his place in the industry. He aims at reaching the top. Looking at how he has begun, indeed, the sky is the limit.